Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Techno Channel. Today I am going to teach you how you can whiten the teeth. From this to this. Let's start our video. I have downloaded this image from internet randomly and I am going to show you whitening these teeth. First of all, play with the vibrance. Only one step. Play with the vibrance. Create a vibrance from this adjustment layer. Then decrease the vibrance. Okay. Now the whole part has been affected, so we have to invert the marks. Choose this white panel, then press Ctrl I to invert the marks. Now we have to paint over the teeth. We have to make a foreground color white. Press P for the brush. Now make a bigger size, make a foreground white, then paint over the teeth. Slowly and gradually you can paint over it. You can paint over the gum too. At last we will manage here. A very simple step, only one step, playing with the vibrance. Okay. While you are painting over the teeth, it is also affecting two gums, so we have to remove from the gums. Then press X to invert this color, X, then paint over the gums. You can take your time according to your photo. A little more here, at least. Now you can have a look. This is the before and this is the after. A very simple step. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.
If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for the notification of upcoming video. I really appreciate it. Thank you.